Let's get you the latest updates on Rahul Gandhi's visit to Manipur. Images coming in of Rahul's meeting with victims of the ethnic conflict. He's met with victims of the Kuki tribe in Churachandpur. Rahul Gandhi has visited camps, relief camps that were set up after violence had broken out in Manipur, essentially visiting one of the worst affected districts of the state and therefore the epicenter of the ethnic conflict in Manipur. Those are images on your screens of Rahul Gandhi soon after his meeting, and there he is seated in one of the rehabilitation camps meeting with victims from the Kuki community. And essentially Rahul Gandhi, who's raised the Manipur conflict several times in Parliament, has now chosen once again, this isn't his first visit, once again to visit Manipur to take stock of the situation, to meet with the victims there.
On his first trip to Manipur after assuming the role of the leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi is here in Manipur, and he's straight come to Churachandpur, in a sense the epicenter of the ethnic violence in the state, and he is at a relief camp at Churachandpur. This is of course a Kuki-dominated district. And anybody who has, have been following the Manipur crisis would know that this ethnic crisis has a divide. On one side of the divide, it is the Kuki community. On the other side, of course, is the Meitei community. The Kuki community, of course, is concentrated in the hill district of Churachandpur.
What's your good name? My name is Namchahat Haukip. I'm from Ahang village, which is in Chandel district. Yeah, Manipur.
Okay, so those were some of the reactions coming in from women who met with Rahul Gandhi earlier. He was in Churachandpur, one of the worst affected districts of Manipur by the violence, and at the rehabilitation camp there, meeting with victims of the violence, victims of the conflict from the Kuki community. Now, after this, Rahul Gandhi is also set to visit another such relief camp, and the messaging here is very, very clear, as Rahul Gandhi is essentially putting pressure also on the government to take stock of the situation in Manipur. He repeatedly raised this in Parliament as well, questioning why Prime Minister Modi hasn't visited Manipur, and it's in those lines that again Rahul Gandhi has chosen to go to the strife-torn state, and even as the government has assured that all steps are being taken to ensure normalcy, that they have ensured that violence has completely reduced in several of the conflict-torn regions. Rahul Gandhi is there to meet with some of the victims, to hear from them on what the situation is. There's been a lot of politics, of course, over Rahul's visit as well, but he's chosen to first stop in Assam to take stock of the monsoon chaos and then to make his way to Manipur. So there were two places essentially in Manipur that Rahul Gandhi has made a stop at: relief camps set up in Jiribam as well as in Churachandpur. Rahul was seen interacting with people living in these camps and asking about their conditions, about the current situation on ground. Now, after being displaced due to the ethnic violence, these were people who've been based in these camps for the last many months. Rahul Gandhi will now be making his way to Moirang area as well, where he will be visiting another relief centre. Importantly, today he is also going to be meeting with the governor of Manipur. Now, earlier, before he made his way to Manipur, Rahul Gandhi also visited Assam, where he met with some of the flood-affected victims at a relief camp, was seen interacting with displaced residents who've been battling severe floods due to days of torrential rainfall. Politics, as expected, is speaking over Rahul Gandhi's visit to Manipur, as the BJP has accused him of indulging in Sikh tragedy tourism, as they've put it.
राहुल गांधी इसका राजनीतिकरण करते हैं। वहां मलहम लगाने की जरूरत है। चुनाव खत्म हो गया। दोनों समुदायों को नजदीक लाने की जरूरत है। जब भी चीजें ठीक होने की कोशिश होती है, क्या राहुल गांधी तनाव बढ़ाने का काम करते हैं? ये ठीक है क्या? ये हम कहना चाहेंगे।
है और पप्पू जी की मणिपुर विजिट की मंशा जो है वो डिस्ट्रक्टिव है। प्रधानमंत्री जी देश की सुरक्षा, देश की सार्वभौमिकता और देश की समृद्धि को सशक्त करने के तमाम तरह के उपाय कर रहे हैं। वहीं पर ये पप्पू जी का जो मणिपुर का पॉलिटिकल पर्यटन है वो वहां की सुरक्षा और वहां के लोगों की सुरक्षा पर पलीता लगाने की कोशिश है।
नॉन बायोलॉजिकल प्रधानमंत्री मॉस्को जा रहे हैं। राहुल जी नेता प्रतिपक्ष लोकसभा में है, वो मणिपुर गए हैं। ये तीसरा दौरा है उनका मणिपुर में, 3 बार जा चुके हैं, ये तीसरी बारी है। और ये दिखाता है, और पिछले 17 महीने में प्रधानमंत्री ने मणिपुर के बारे में कुछ कहा ही नहीं। मणिपुर के मुख्यमंत्री से नहीं मिला है, मणिपुर के राजनीतिक पार्टियों से नहीं मिले हैं, सांसदों से नहीं मिले हैं, विधायकों से नहीं मिली हैं, और मणिपुर तो गए ही नहीं, कुछ 4-5 घंटे के लिए भी नहीं गए हैं। और राहुल जी ये तीसरा दौरा है उनका।
It can be solved by resolving by the interaction with both the parties. So with a fond belief, Rahul Gandhi is visiting Manipur, and the problem will be solved. Though he is in opposition, he is able to solve the problem also. So this is the first time the opposition leader is visiting, and he is prepared to talk with the two castes, Kuli and Moiti.
हटा दीजिए कांग्रेस, बीजेपी, फलाना ढिमकाना। मणिपुर के लोग अपने पीएम को अपने बीच देखना चाहते हैं। 1.25 साल से दहक रहा है, कितनी जानें चली गई, कैसे विजुअल्स हमने देखे, और प्रधानमंत्री जी की तरफ से जिक्र नहीं होता। हम लोग जब वॉकआउट कर गए तो कुछ बोले, वो भी सत्य के आधार पर नहीं था। तो प्रधानमंत्री जी, इस बात का उनको एहसास करना होगा, किसी ने वोट दिया या ना दिया, देश के तो प्रधानमंत्री आप ही हैं। वोट ना देने वालों का कोई अलग प्रधानमंत्री नहीं होता है। उसकी पीड़ा को अगर आप एम्पैथी के साथ समझते हुए इंटरवीन नहीं करते तो ये कलंक की तरह लगता है।
देखिए, ये बहुत गंभीर समस्या है। ये देश की इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी से डायरेक्ट संबंधित है। नॉर्थ ईस्ट जहां पे चाइना धीरे धीरे अपने कदम बढ़ा रहा है, उसी नॉर्थ ईस्ट के अंदर जहां पे दशकों तक डिस्टर्बेंसेस चली, अलगाववाद चला, इंसर्जेंसी चली, उस नॉर्थ ईस्ट के अंदर एक पूरा राज्य लगभग सिविल वॉर की तरह जो है 1 साल से जल रहा है, और देश का प्रधानमंत्री वहां पे जाना ही नहीं चाहते हैं। ये तो बहुत शर्म की बात है। आपके पास विदेशों में घूमने का समय है, आपके पास अपने देश के अंदर हाथरस जाने का समय नहीं है, और विपक्ष के नेता लगातार जो है ऐसी जगहों पे जा रहे हैं। ये भारतीय सरकार के लिए बहुत बड़ी चुनौती है।
So we'll continue getting you all the highlights of Rahul Gandhi's visit to Manipur.